9 Special red onion benefit in human body. Red onions are not only flavorful but also packed with various health benefits. Here are 9 notable benefits they can provide to the human body. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Red onions contain quercetin and other antioxidants that help fight free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. 2. Heart health. They can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health by promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in red onions may help reduce inflammation, which is linked to various chronic diseases. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Red onions may aid in controlling blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. 5. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the sulfur compounds and flavonoids in red onions may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, such as stomach and colorectal cancer. 6. Digestive health. They are a good source of fiber, which supports digestive health and can help prevent constipation. 7. Immune support. The antioxidants and vitamins in red onions can help boost the immune system, making the body more resilient against infections. 8. Bone health. Some research indicates that red onions may support bone density and overall bone health due to their rich content of certain minerals. 9. Skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can benefit skin health, potentially helping with conditions like acne and promoting a healthy glow. Conclusion. Incorporating red onions into your diet can be an easy way to enjoy these benefits. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your friends so that we can continue to produce content like this. Check out the links in the description if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Thank you for watching.